How to make money on YouTube without doing anything. YouTube is mostly known as a place to share videos, but it has also become a powerful way to make money without doing anything. A lot of content creators are motivated by the idea of making money while they sleep, travel, or do other things they enjoy. It takes work and commitment to build a successful YouTube channel, but the potential to make money in many ways is huge. This complete guide will look at different ways to use YouTube to make passive income, giving you the tools you need to create a long-lasting online business that works for you 24/7. What passive income on YouTube means. In the world of YouTube, passive income is money that keeps coming in even when you're not making or promoting videos. This doesn't mean that you don't have to do any work up front. It takes time and work to make a successful YouTube channel and set up passive income streams. But once these systems are set up, they can make money with very little ongoing work. Key strategies for making money on YouTube without working. There are a number of ways to make money passively through YouTube. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend products or services in your videos and get paid a commission when someone buys them through your affiliate links. Selling digital products. Making and selling digital goods like ebooks, online courses, templates, or software that go along with your videos. Selling stuff. You can design and sell branded items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases through your YouTube channel. YouTube automation with care. Automating some parts of your channel management on purpose to make things run more smoothly, but being careful to keep the quality of your content and the interest of your audience high. Getting email addresses. Getting email addresses from your viewers and using email marketing to sell goods or services. Repurposing content. Changing your videos into other types of content, like blog posts, podcasts, or social media updates to reach more people and make more money. Creating evergreen content. Making content that stays useful and interesting over time so that your videos keep getting views and making money long after they are published. Affiliate marketing, making money from recommendations. Affiliate marketing is one of the best and most popular ways to make money on YouTube without doing anything. You can make money by teaming up with brands and telling people about their products or services in your videos. You get a cut of each sale made through your affiliate links. Choosing a niche. Pick a niche that fits with your skills and interests. This will help you make content that is real and interesting. How to find affiliate programs. Look into affiliate programs that sell goods or services that are useful to your niche and audience. Amazon Associates, Share, Baysale, and ClickBank are some of the most well-known affiliate networks. Making reviews of products. Write honest and fair reviews of products in your niche. List the pros and cons of each product and say why it might be a good fit for your audience. How-to videos and tutorials. Make videos that show people how to use a product or service. This can be a great way to show how useful a product is and get people to buy it. Disclosure. Be honest and tell your viewers about your affiliate relationships. This helps you keep your credibility and build trust. Making money and adding value by selling digital goods. Making and selling digital goods on YouTube can be a great way to make money without doing much work. You can make digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, or software once and sell them over and over again, making money with very little ongoing work. Identify a need. Find out what problems your audience is having and make digital products that solve those problems. Make good products. Make sure that your digital products are useful, well-designed, and full of information. In your videos, talk about your products. Talk about your digital products in your videos and put a link to buy them in the description. Make a sales page. Make a sales page that looks professional and shows off the benefits of your digital products. Use email marketing to get the word out about your products. Make a list of people who want to receive emails from you and use email marketing to tell them about your digital products. Selling stuff. Making money and building a brand. Selling branded goods can help you make money and get more people to watch your YouTube channel. You can put your channel's logo, slogans, or artwork on things like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Make designs that catch the eye. Make merchandise that looks good and fits with your brand. Use a print-on-demand service. A print-on-demand service can take care of making and sending your goods. This means you don't have to buy inventory or deal with fulfillment. about your products in your videos. Talk about your products in your videos and include a link to buy them in the video description. Give people discounts and deals. Give people discounts and deals to get them to buy your stuff. YouTube automation with caution, making things work better. To make your channel management more efficient and free up your time, you can use YouTube automation to automate some parts of it in a smart way. But it's very important to keep an eye on the quality of your content and how well it engages your audience. Using YouTube's scheduling feature, you can set specific times for your videos to go live. Automating social media promotion. Use tools for managing social media to automatically promote your videos on social media. Outsourcing. Editing and other tasks. You might want to hire freelancers or virtual assistants to do things like video editing, thumbnail design, and more. Be careful not to use bots or other fake methods to boost your views or engagement. This could break YouTube's rules and hurt the reputation of your channel. Making a list of email addresses. Connecting with your audience and promoting deals. You can connect with your viewers directly and sell them products or services by building an email list. Email marketing can be a very good way to make money on YouTube without doing anything. Give away something for free, like an ebook, checklist, or template, in exchange for your viewers' email addresses. This is called a lead magnet. In your videos, talk about your lead magnet. Talk about your lead magnet in your videos and include a link to sign up in the description. Use an email marketing service. To manage your email list and send out newsletters and promotions, you can use an email marketing service like MailChimp or ConvertKit. Break up your email list. Divide your email list into groups based on the interests and demographics of your viewers. This will let you send emails that are more relevant and to the point. Repurposing content. Getting the most out of your reach. When you repurpose content, you change your videos into other types of content, like blog posts, podcasts, or updates on social media. This lets you reach more people and make more money. Make blog posts from your videos. Write down what your videos say and turn them into blog posts. This can help you get more visitors from search engines. Make a podcast by taking the sound from your videos and putting it into a podcast. This could help you reach a new group of people who would rather listen to content than watch it. Share snippets on social media. Make short clips of your videos and post them on social media to get people to visit your YouTube channel again. Making content that lasts. Making sure it has long-term value. Evergreen content is content that stays useful and interesting over time. This kind of content can keep getting views and making money even after it has been published. Pick topics that aren't tied to current events or trends. Make detailed tutorials. Make tutorials that are full of information and will be useful to your audience for a long time. Keep your content up to date. Add new information and fix old information to your evergreen content to keep it fresh. In conclusion, to make passive income from YouTube, you need to work hard, be dedicated, and have a plan. You can use the tips in this guide to start an online business that makes money even when you're not making or promoting content. Always remember to give your audience value, build a strong community, and find new ways to make money. You can turn your YouTube channel